Falsabraga Media Naranja, shaped as a half-orange, hence its name in Spanish Media Naranja, built to reinforce the defense of the Fort Santiago from the riverside. 18th century forms part of the fortification of Intramuros, which were declared as a National Historical Monument 1951, then as a National Cultural Treasure.
I recognize some of the words. Media is half.
Yeah.
Media Naranja is